Hi, so today I am preparing Mangodi ke chawal. So what is Mangodi? Mangodi are small chunks which is prepared from moong ki dal and some masalas. So my grandmother and my mother used to prepare this thing at home. These ladies used to grind moong dal with few masalas like dhania powder, chili powder, salt and some hing. And then he used to make small dumplings and then dried it on a plastic sheet in sun for a few days until it was solid enough. So I'll give you a quick look at the ingredients, that how am I going to prepare Mangodi ke chawal today. So I have taken some red chili powder, a pinch of hing, asafoetida and 3 green chilies chopped and some chopped ginger. These are cumin seeds, jeera, and this is haldi powder, turmeric powder and salt would be as per your taste. These are 2 potatoes. I have chopped them big, and this is 1 big tomato. I have chopped it finely. Half bowl of small Mangodi chunks. Half a bowl of basmati rice. I have washed it and soaked it in water for some time. So I have turned on the gas. We'll add 2 big spoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. We'll add the Mangodi chunks to it. I will fry them for a few minutes. So the Mangodi has fried. I will add ginger to it now. And we'll also add cumin seeds. We'll add hing. We'll toss this. Ginger has fried. I will add the masalas to it now. Haldi powder, red chili powder, green chilies and salt. We'll add tomatoes to it now. We'll toss everything. We'll add the potatoes. We'll toss the potatoes, tomatoes. We'll add the rice to it. So I had 1 bowl of rice, so this is the second bowl of water. I have already added 1 bowl of water. So here I have added another bowl of water. I will cover this with the lid and wait for 1 whistle. That's it. We'll turn off the gas. Rice is ready. I will serve it for you now. So the Mangodi rice is ready and this looks delicious. So serve this dish to your family and friends and share your reviews with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Bye bye, take care for now.